Hey guys, we're here at Guaranty RV down in Junction City. Today we are with a 2018 Forest River Rockwood A122S. We're going to start on the outside. So, boom, right here, you are going to have a ton of storage. So, I mean, really, if you're going out for a long time, you got space. You're going to have a front tongue jack, which is going to make it easy to get it off the ball and put it right back on it. You're going to have 2 propane tanks. Onto the back here, right behind it, you're going to have 2 battery hookups. So, I mean, you can go out for a couple of weeks. Coming on, we got the 30 amp plug in here. We're going to have a nice shower, outside shower, so if you go to the coast or get muddy, you can wipe off. And we're going to have a little storage cubby, boom, right here, which will pull out. And onto the very far back, you're going to get your spare tire and a Wi-Fi extender. Onto the front side, you're going to have your main rail, which you will have a grill on the inside that you can take from the inside to the outside, and you can cook so you don't stink up the inside. You're going to have your speakers, marine grade, so you can listen to your music anytime. And onto the inside, you are going to have your big net on the right. It does fully drop down and make into a bed. You're going to have your 3 stove burner. You're going to have a nice little sink, and you are also going to have a little fridge. And onto the far back, you're going to have your main bed, which sleeps 2. And if you really wanted to, you could sleep 4 total in here. And then right underneath here, guys, don't forget, we got a little microwave, which is kind of nice. You got your heating system right underneath. You also have your speaker. And if you do have a TV, your TV goes right here as well. And if you're looking for storage, guys, we got some more storage. And really, if you have any questions on this, guys, give me a call. My phone number is 541-954-4683. Thanks, guys.